Welcome to this video in which you will learn to use the right tone for business emails. As learned earlier, email tone is about the words and sentences used in an email to share a message. The tone of an email is made up of the first line, words, punctuations, font, sentence length, and the closing line you use. Choose the tone of your email based on the audience you are writing to. It can range from being casual and friendly to being very formal. Decide on how formal your email is depending on your relationship with the person who receives the email. If you're writing to a team member, your email can be friendly and casual. If you are writing to your manager, your email should be professional and clear to understand. If you are writing to someone above your manager, your email should be formal, short, and to the point. To use the right email tone, you must know the following before writing an email. 1. Social first line. Whether it is your manager or customer, it is better to begin with a good first line. For example, I hope you had a great weekend. Or, I hope you are doing well. 2. Too short. Emails which are very short seem impolite or unfriendly if we miss writing the purpose of the email or get straight to the point. For example, please send me a business report immediately can seem unfriendly since it does not state the purpose. Instead, write, please send me a report immediately. We have a new area manager and he wants to see everyone's business reports. Writing a brief reason will help the receiver understand the email clearly and it looks more professional. 3. Too long and extra polite. While asking for information or following up on an email, don't try to use too many words to describe a simple thing. Keep it simple, whether you're writing to a customer, a team member, or manager. This makes your email tone professional. Rather than saying, may I kindly ask if you had a chance to review the report I previously sent? It is better to say, can you please check the report I sent you last week? Avoid very casual words and short forms. Whether you are writing to a team member or manager, you must avoid very casual words at all times. It is better to form a correct sentence to avoid confusion. It is fine to use very casual words while speaking with friends, but for work emails, it should not be used. 5. Avoid all caps. All caps shows that you are screaming. It is better to use bold font if you want to show that something is urgent or to catch the eye of the reader on the email. Remember, your email should be clear to understand and must sound professional. We hope you have understood how to use the right email tone for business emails.